This is Yiddish and Chasidish, which is by Eliezer Schindler, and it was the only book he published in the United States and published in 1950. A lot of his poems were set to music by a composer, Yehoshua Wexler. My mother wrote the English introduction to this, and someone named Boris Cotter, who I think was also a Yiddish writer, wrote the Yiddish introduction. It's a very beautiful book, very beautiful poems. And so one of the best known of his poems is called Yiddish loshn, and I will try to find it here. He actually included a page with his handwriting of Yiddish loshn in his handwriting, and he included that in the book. So it says, so Yiddish loshn means Yiddish language. Yiddish loshn, pashat loshn, fundi tatamamas. Bist doch molechena zoi, wie blimelech in Tammuz. Yiddish loshn, hartzik loshn, von Millionen Brüder, Reb Levi Yitzchak hat mit dir geschaffen frume Lieder. Es hat Reb Nachman Meiselach auf Yiddish uns gegeben, Yiddish loshn, Mama loshn, Fried von unser Leben, by Eliezer Schindler. So that was one. Also, there was something also that took my breath away that I saw in this book, which was in the introduction by Boris Cotter. Einige Lyricus von die Beis Yaakov Schulen, welche sind durchgegangen alle Shiva Medure Gehinnom von die teutonische Teutenkammern und Alpines Nitzel geworden und befinden sich jetzt in Amerika, haben dort erzählt, wie man hat mir mitgeteilt, als in die Lagern hat man gesungen Schindlers Lieder, von welchen man hat geschöpft Trost und Bitachon. So I thought that was really amazing, and that people got that strength from his poetry. I thought that was really beautiful.